buttons. So what is a radio button? See, here already you observe. These are radio buttons. We can check at a time only one radio button. We can't check two radio buttons at a time. We can check. There are a lot of ways to check in application, but client does not mention these types. If you have any idea about that, then only you can test. Otherwise, it's very difficult to test your application. This is like a general topic. This is general topic. See, radio buttons are default selection. If they already mention like any or hostel, whenever you have to check, select state, city, area, it's automatically by default any will selected like that. See, image swipe on mouse over means this is a image. If you click on this image, it will come like that. Whenever we have to move, it will go to that place. But again, if you remove your mouse, then again it will go to the exact page, exact place. So if it is not moved to exact place, then that is issue. So there are a lot of images maybe in applications. So we have to check that images. See like this. But client does not mention these types of testings because of these types of testing. So it's a general testing and it's a basic testing and it's a need to test in any projects, not at all in a single project. We will test in any projects. Check boxes, radio buttons, test boxes. How you will test box? See, test boxes are maximum length, minimum length, and trimming of spaces. See, maximum length or minimum length. Test box. Maybe in the register page it is available. See, here they mention like a username. So how you can know how much I have to enter in this field? Basically, client mention in their reserved document, I want this much characters for this, and he mentioned they like is it alphanumeric or it's only alpha, is it only numeric, like that. If they want any special characters also, they have to mention everything. So based on your SRS document, you have to check your application. So username, here I entered like sin. It accepted. Okay. If I take more than this, is it accepting? See, it is accepting at unlimited. So, if it accepted like a unlimited characters, what happens if you save it? If they put any proper message, error message, then it shows. Otherwise, see, username is available. Username is available. How much I entered. But here it is showing username is available. Is it possible like this much of characters name? No. So that's why we have to enter like, if any big word is there, we can trimming of spaces, means it's not possible. If it is save also, what happens if you go to like a manage account page? It is showing like a big one, like this way. So it happens like alignment issues. So that's why we have to give like a trimming. Trimming means we have to give like after 20 words gaps. A single gap is okay. So see here also, what is here issue? Username. Username is two words, but here it is showing as a single word. This is also a issue. So size of text box. Size of text box is a limit. It's like maybe clients say like I want only 30 characters on username and password also 15 characters, like that. And the data type, which type of data they want. Single quotes, HTML encode. See, single quote means we have to use like a single quote. Maybe sometimes they ask like that, and HTML encode and copy paste. See, copy paste is the most important thing. Why, where it happens means in like security projects. See, if you want to copy paste, like just check, let's take Gmail, copy and paste. It happens in some projects. If you copy paste, it does not accept. Maybe here we have to check. Here it happens. See, here it does not happen. In passport link, it does not happen. Means they put security. We'll check here. No. See, here it does not accept. Whenever you have to use this, and if you click on OK, then only it accepts. See, why means This is a banking site. So security is need. Why? If you enter Gmail, if you go to your caches, or if you use any software, definitely the numbers will see whatever you entered. But if you entered here, it does not record it. For this, there is no record option. So that's why they have to put like a this type of keypads, virtual keyboard. When whatever we have to enter through virtual keyboard is not saved into caches also. When you observe in caches, it shows only your username. It's not shows your password. But if you enter without virtual keyboard, it shows. That is copy paste. We have to check. But its most important thing in security sites. Then test area. It's just the same thing. List box. There is a single selection, multiple selection, default selection, sorting. Single selection means in list box you can select only single selection. Like a multiple selection means you can select a multiple. Default means maybe some list boxes they have to put a default. On sorting. Sorting is also most important. See, sorting A after that C came like that. Sorting is important. See, if I select this one, this is sorting. Select this and select this. Here also they are using sorting. After A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H like that. Sorting. If you they put like a sorting order, it is very useful to you. Means it is very useful to end user to select whatever they want. This all are coming from usability testing. I will explain it later. What is usability testing? Like a list box, combo box, browser control, pull down menus. Browser control means enable, open dialog, complete path of selected file means uh, browsers are there. We can enable and disables are there in browsers, and pull down menus, icons, keyboard shortcuts, proper enable and disabling of menu items for all right click menus in page. See, this is also important. This will comes whenever we have to click on right click, this will all comes. We have to want to see like a view page source, you can view your page source. Here it shows like if you enter Andhra Pradesh, see here it shows what it shows here in yours, whatever in options is there. See here only two options are there, one is Andhra Pradesh and Chennai. There are only two options. See, Andhra Pradesh and Chennai. Same thing here, it shows in your view source also. And if you want to check like a Hyderabad also, it shows. See, it shows Hyderabad. Okay. Pagination of all listing to be checked. Any idea about pagination? Means if like 100 pages are there, they have to mention like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Maybe in one page, maybe they have to put like a 10, maybe 20 listings. So that one, for example, just you have to open like a Gmail. First of all, they have to, by default, they have to give like a 1 to 50. Yes, like that. If you want, you can customize for that. You want single page or 200 also, you can do it. Like that, for a lot of applications, they have many users are there. So that's why they have to put like a pagination. If you click on 19th page or 20th page, it will open only 20th page like that. Means why they have to put like a pagination means for accessing is also easy, and when you click on that link it opens very fast. Otherwise, if you show all in one page, means there are one like users are there. See, let's take for example. See, for this application there are around 1 lakh users are there. So it's a very difficult to identify. That's why they have to put a pagination. Means it will open fast. Why you have to use like a pagination means for performance testing we can use like a paginations. Sorting is applicable to be checked in the listing. Yes, if it is in sorting order, then you can easily check your name. See, if your name is listed in S, so what you have to check directly, you will go to check with your S. And in sorting also, in pagination, if you click on S, then it will shows only S related users. Like that, sorting is also important for listing. Otherwise, it's a very difficult to identify. If around like a 5 to 10 users, you can easily observe. But whenever it's a more than 100 or 200, it's like a thousands. Like that, it's very difficult to identify. And toolbars, we can enable or customize the toolbar and page URL encrypt. We can check English check means we can definitely check the spelling mistakes. See, for any applications, we have to check the spellings. Here, Andhra Pradesh, here they did not give gap. Gap is must and should here. And if you observe, like you will get lot of issues. Register. If you observe, you will get issues. Maybe spelling mistakes or different types of issues you will get. The hostel name is also gap is important, and maybe occupancy spelling mistake, gallery spelling mistake. Like that, we have to check. Check English means you can check the spelling mistakes also.